Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set the video quality on your Netflix download on the apps. So if you want to change the video quality due to a Wi-Fi speed or maybe a mobile data speed, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and visit the profile. Go ahead and tap on My Profile here, the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on App Settings. Now if you scroll down, you'll see video quality. Go ahead and tap on that. And now here, you'll be able to change the video quality on your iPhone. So here you can choose standard or higher. However, there are cons and pros to it. With standard, you can download faster and use less storage. With higher, it'll use more storage. Now once you've chosen, go ahead and close it. And now you'll be able to set the video qualities on your Netflix downloads. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.